Hello everybody and welcome back to another Georgia Carpet product review. Today we're taking a closer look at Mannington Adura Apex Trellis. If you've been looking for a stunning product with a beautiful blend of personality and performance, then you're in the right place. Let's get into it. Mannington Trellis brings a timeless Art Deco-inspired elegance into your home. Each 16 by 48 inch tile features a dramatic acoustic-style floral pattern that instantly becomes the centerpiece of any room. The iron colorway delivers that classic black and white contrast, crisp, clean, and incredibly versatile, making it a perfect match for kitchens, baths, mudrooms, laundry rooms, and any area where you want your floors to make a statement. Trellis is built on a durable WPC, or wood plastic composite, core, which gives you the beauty of tile with the comfort of luxury vinyl. WPC construction makes the floor warmer, quieter, and softer underfoot than traditional tile, and the attached pad adds an extra layer of cushioning and sound absorption, so you get the designer look you love without the cold, hard feel of ceramic. Let's talk performance. Trellis is 100% waterproof, protecting both the floor and the subfloor from everyday spills, splashes, and moisture. It also features a 20 mil wear layer, topped with an aluminum oxide finish, meaning it resists scratches, stains, scuffs, and general wear. Whether you have kids, pets, or a high-traffic household, Trellis is designed to keep its stunning visuals looking fresh for years. Installing Trellis is simple thanks to Mannington's click-lock floating system. It's DIY-friendly and even lets you replace individual tiles if necessary. Be sure to check out Mannington's YouTube channel for complete tutorials on installation and replacement. Keeping Trellis clean is effortless. Unlike traditional tile, there are no grout lines to trap dirt or crumbs. Regular sweeping and occasional mopping is all it takes to keep your floors looking beautiful. And while it is steam mop approved, mopping is only necessary when dirt builds up to a level where sweeping is no longer sufficient. Now let's talk about warranties. Mannington supports Trellis with a lifetime limited residential warranty and a limited light commercial warranty. That means dependable protection for everyday household use and versatility for small business or boutique environments. Additionally, Trellis is Floor Score certified for low VOCs, helping to maintain a healthier indoor environment. It also includes microban surface protection, which works continuously to inhibit the growth of bacteria. The result is a cleaner, fresher floor, and a little extra peace of mind for busy households. So if you're looking for flooring that delivers high design, real comfort, and reliable performance, then Mannington Adura Apex Trellis is the perfect option for you. Check it out for yourself by ordering a sample at georgiacarpet.com, and we'll see you next time.